Align Right Realty. Mark your calendars. Join us for the 3rd annual Align Right Realty Convention at world-renowned Renaissance Orlando at the SeaWorld Resort, starting August 31st. Join us for a networking opportunity of a lifetime, ending on September 2nd with a live concert performance by CNC Music Factory. 3 impactful speakers, each with their own unique programs. Get motivated with international legend Terry Watson. Get connected with the nationally acclaimed speaker Marki Lemons. Spark Tank Media presents Mr. Tech himself, Mr. Jeff Lobb. We're not just hosting speakers, we're also hosting 2 incredible parties. Join the White Hot Glow Party with DJ Mike Nappi, coming straight from NYC. A black tie masquerade ball, a night of elegance. Enjoy our complimentary Align Right Realty cocktails and food fit for royalty. This is 3 days of awesomeness. Save the date. August 31st, September 1st and 2nd. This will be a sold-out event.